Deep within the emerald embrace of tropical rainforests, a world of secrets unfolds, a world ruled by creatures of remarkable tranquility and enigmatic charm. These are the sloths, masters of slowness and embodiments of patience. Towering trees draped in emerald vines create a verdant cathedral where sunlight filters through the canopy in shimmering rays. The air hums with the symphony of life, a chorus of buzzing insects, chirping birds, and the rustling of leaves. It is here, in this realm of shadows and light, that the sloths make their home. Join us now as we embark on a journey into the heart of the sloth's secret world. The sloth, a creature of mystery and intrigue, has long been shrouded in an aura of enigma. Their slow, deliberate movements and placid expressions have puzzled observers for centuries. But beneath this veneer of tranquility lies a world of remarkable adaptations and surprising complexities. Often misunderstood as lazy, sloths are masters of energy conservation. Their every move a testament to efficiency. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the secrets of the sloth, a creature that reminds us that sometimes slow and steady wins the race. The sloth's languid pace is a carefully orchestrated symphony of anatomy and physiology. Their bones, surprisingly robust for their size, provide a sturdy framework for their arboreal acrobatics. Their muscles possess remarkable endurance, allowing them to hang upside down for extended periods without tiring. Their long, curved claws serve as their primary mode of locomotion, enabling them to navigate the canopy with surprising agility. Their digestive system, a marvel of adaptation, allows them to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their leafy diet. Within the enchanting world of sloths, two distinct lineages have evolved: the two-toed sloths and their three-toed counterparts. Two-toed sloths possess two claws on their forelimbs, while their hind limbs retain the ancestral three. This difference in claw morphology has profound implications for their locomotion and feeding habits. Three-toed sloths possess three claws on both their forelimbs and hind limbs, enhancing their grip and stability. Their smaller size and specialized diet have led them to evolve a more sedentary lifestyle, conserving energy. High above the rainforest floor, in the sun-dappled realm of the canopy, the sloths have found their arboreal sanctuary. This verdant world provides them with everything they need to survive and thrive: food, shelter, and protection from predators. The canopy's intricate network of branches and vines serves as their highway, allowing them to move from tree to tree in search of food and mates. Their long curved claws enable them to navigate this arboreal labyrinth with surprising agility. Leaves, their primary source of sustenance, are abundant in this elevated world, offering a variety of textures and flavors. The sloth's languid pace is a testament to their extraordinary metabolic adaptation. Their bodies are finely tuned for energy conservation, operating at a rate that would be considered sluggish in most mammals. Their heart rate, a slow and steady rhythm, pumps blood throughout their bodies with remarkable efficiency. Their respiratory system operates at a slower rate, extracting oxygen from the air with each deep, measured breath. While other animals race against time, sloths have embraced a slower, more deliberate pace of life. In the emerald tapestry of the rainforest canopy, sloths have evolved to subsist on a diet that would challenge most mammals. Leaves, their primary source of sustenance, are low in nutrients and high in tough, fibrous cellulose. Their stomachs, multi-chambered and teeming with symbiotic bacteria, act as fermentation vats, breaking down the tough cellulose. This digestive process, a slow and deliberate affair, can take days or even weeks to complete. As the sun dips below the horizon, the canopy above comes alive with the nocturnal symphony of life. But amidst this flurry of activity, the sloths remain undisturbed, their bodies curled up in peaceful slumber. Sleep for a sloth is an integral part of their energy-saving strategy. They spend the majority of their lives suspended upside down, their long claws providing a secure grip on the branches above. By minimizing their movements and lowering their body temperature, they reduce their energy expenditure. In the verdant world of the rainforest canopy, camouflage is a matter of survival. Few creatures have mastered the art of blending in quite like the sloth. Their fur, a shaggy coat of long, coarse hairs, provides the perfect canvas for camouflage. Algae, taking root in the grooves of their hairs, transform their coats into miniature gardens, blending them seamlessly with the surrounding foliage. Their slow movements minimize the visual cues that could alert predators to their presence. They become one with the trees, their bodies swaying gently in the breeze. Life in the rainforest canopy, for all its tranquility, is not without its perils. Danger lurks in the shadows, a constant reminder of the delicate balance between predator and prey. The rainforest, a realm of extraordinary biodiversity, is also a battleground, where survival is a constant struggle. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a role in this intricate web of life and death. Eagles, with their keen eyesight and powerful talons, pose a constant threat, their shadows gliding silently over the forest canopy. High above the rainforest canopy, the harpy eagle reigns supreme. With a wingspan that can exceed 6 feet and talons as powerful as a bear's claws, it is a formidable predator. Its keen eyesight can spot the slightest movement from astonishing distances. Once it has spotted its target, the harpy eagle swoops down with astonishing speed and precision. Sloths, with their slow movements, are particularly vulnerable to these aerial attacks. While the harpy eagle poses a threat from above, another danger lurks amidst the rainforest's shadowy undergrowth, the boa constrictor. This stealthy predator is a master of ambush, its sleek, muscular body perfectly adapted for navigating the tangled undergrowth. The boa constrictor's hunting strategy is a study in patience and deception. It lies in wait, its body coiled around a branch or concealed amidst the foliage. When a sloth ventures too close, the boa constrictor strikes with lightning speed, its powerful muscles constricting around its prey. Despite the ever-present threat of predation, sloths have managed to carve out a successful niche in the rainforest ecosystem. Their slow movements, cryptic coloration, and arboreal lifestyle all contribute to their remarkable ability to evade detection. The rainforest's dense canopy provides sloths with both food and shelter, shielding them from the harsh sun and predators. Their slow movements allow them to conserve energy, a crucial adaptation in an environment where food can be scarce. The sloth's world, though seemingly simple, is replete with fascinating quirks and unexpected abilities. Their slow, deliberate movements belie a suite of surprising skills that have allowed them to thrive in their arboreal domain. Their eyesight, though not as sharp as that of their avian predators, is surprisingly acute. Their sense of smell is highly developed, enabling them to detect ripe fruit and tender leaves from afar. These sensory adaptations allow sloths to move through their world with a grace and precision that belies their seemingly clumsy appearance. While the rainforest canopy is their undisputed realm, sloths harbor a surprising secret. They are adept swimmers, their leisurely pace transforming into a graceful aquatic ballet when the need arises. This unexpected ability, a testament to their evolutionary heritage, allows them to navigate the network of rivers and streams that crisscross their rainforest home, expanding their foraging range and providing an escape route from danger when the rains come, transforming the rainforest floor into a labyrinth of flooded pathways. Sloths embrace the water with surprising ease. Their long limbs, normally used for climbing, become surprisingly effective paddles, propelling them through the water with a smooth, almost effortless motion. Their dense fur, acting as a natural buoyancy aid, keeps them afloat, while their slow metabolism ensures that they can remain submerged for extended periods. This aquatic prowess, while rarely observed, is a crucial part of the sloth's survival strategy. It allows them to cross rivers and streams in search of food or mates, expanding their home range and reducing competition for resources. And in times of flood, when the rainforest floor transforms into a treacherous torrent, their swimming ability can mean the difference between life and death. Despite their remarkable adaptations for life in the trees, sloths exhibit a behavior that seems both perplexing and perilous. They descend from their arboreal sanctuary once a week to defecate on the forest floor. This seemingly counterintuitive act, exposing them to a host of predators, has puzzled scientists for decades, prompting a flurry of research and speculation. Why would a creature so well suited for life in the trees risk its life for such a mundane task? The answer, it seems, lies in a complex web of ecological relationships, involving not only the sloths themselves, but also the trees they call home, and the tiny creatures that inhabit their fur. One prevailing theory suggests that sloths engage in this risky behavior to nourish the very trees they depend on for survival. By defecating at the base of their host trees, sloths return valuable nutrients to the soil, fertilizing the trees and ensuring their continued growth. This symbiotic relationship, mutually beneficial to both sloth and tree, highlights the interconnectedness of life in the rainforest ecosystem. The sloth, a creature of paradox and wonder, challenges our perceptions of life in the fast lane. In a world obsessed with speed and efficiency, they remind us that there is beauty and wisdom in slowing down, in savoring the moment, in embracing the tranquility of a life lived at a more leisurely pace. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptation, the elegance of simplicity, and the interconnectedness of all living things. As we've journeyed into the sloth's secret world, we've uncovered a tapestry of fascinating adaptations, from their slow metabolism and arboreal acrobatics to their surprising swimming skills and their enigmatic weekly pilgrimage to the forest floor. Their lives, though seemingly uneventful to the casual observer, are filled with wonder and intrigue, a constant source of fascination for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. But their story is also a reminder of the fragility of the natural world and the importance of conservation. As deforestation and habitat loss continue to threaten the rainforests they call home, sloths face an uncertain future. Their survival, like that of countless other species, depends on our willingness to protect the planet's biodiversity and to live in greater harmony with nature. Let us heed the sloth's silent message, a message of patience, resilience, and the interconnectedness of all living things. For in their slow, deliberate existence, they hold a mirror to our own lives, reminding us that sometimes the greatest rewards come to those who take the time to slow down, to observe, and to appreciate the wonders of the world around us.